Hello, welcome. My name is Ukamaka Amis. I'm an accountant. Today I bring good news to some certain class of business owners. One, listen to know if you fall into this category. One, you are a freelancer. Okay? Two, you offer just services. You offer services to your customers. You don't deal on physical products. Three, you deal on physical products, but just few products that you sell. Less than 20. In fact, not even up to 15 products that you sell. And what is that good news that I've come to give you? I've come to show you that you can start your record-keeping journey using free software. You can start this journey using free software. You don't have any excuse to say, I don't have money to pay for subscription. For the fact that your problem is, I need a simple tool to use to record my sales, give invoices to my customers, receive payment, then manage my expenses and my little inventory. This is good news that I have brought to you. Okay. This is a free invoicing software that you can use to manage your sales and your expenses. So, for the first two customers, that is the freelancers, those who offer just services, like you sell digital products, you're a coach, you're a mobile cleaner, you do mobile cleaning, you offer different kinds of services. We have a barbing salon, you have a nail shop. You don't deal on inventory. You offer services to your customers. Okay? And you're looking for a good tool to use in recording the sales you are making from these services that you're offering. You're looking for a good software to use to give your customers invoice, to build, the record, the integrity, the prestige of your business. That when you finish serving your customers, you issue them invoice. And even the bill you'll be giving to your customers is not longer bill like you use pen and paper. No, you're looking for a software you will now use to give customer estimates, quotation. So that when the deal is now sealed, you immediately give the customer what? Invoice. Receive the amount the customer has given you. The tool that will also allow you to, because you know that when you offer services, sometimes customer can make advance payment, and also that then the customer can now pay up when the service is done. So you need a tool that will, number one, allow you to give your customer estimate or quotation of the kind of service you offer, give customer invoice to record the sales, receive money from your customers, and also record your expenses. And also maybe you have customers that you attend to and they pay you on monthly basis or weekly basis the same amount of money. So you want to just record their your sales with them on a recurring basis. This software will serve you so well. And also for those who sell products, okay, you have few products, you don't have money to start going for paid software for now. You are just starting. You are alone, maybe you are doing your business from home, you're alone, or you just have one staff. You will use this software also to track, record your sales and your expenses. But your inventory management, that is tracking the movement of your inventory, how your products, how they're coming in and how they're going out, you will not be using a very well designed cloud template. Now, this template has already been designed by me. I'm not teaching you how to design. No, you are buying the template that have been designed. You're also buying how to use this free software to sell. Do you understand? Okay, so looking at some of the modules here you will record your customers, because having the distance of your customers is one major way to optimize your sales. So here you will register your customers, have their contact details. Here you register the services or the products that you sell. Here you can use this one for what? For your estimate, for quotation. When customer needs quotation, oh, I want you to come and do this. You're an event planner. You use this one to give customer what? Quotation. Okay? This one is for you. Maybe your customer pay you money in advance. I don't mean a service or a sale that have been concluded. I mean for something that the customer is not even ready for now. Okay, you can use this to receive that and keep the money till when the customer is ready. This one is where your sales takes place. You issue invoices to your customer, receive the amount the customer has given to you, and when the customer makes payment, you do what? You register the payment. That is, if the customer is making part payment, I have now come to complete the payment, to register the payment. For customers that you serve on a recurring basis, this is for you. You can also give your customer commission bonuses using this one. Here is for your expenses. Every expenses that you incur in your business. Then here is for expenses that occur on regular basis, like your salary. Okay, like your salary, your depreciation, insurance, your rent. Here is where you register them. It is a very complete software that also offers you different reports at the end of the period. It offers you different reports at the end of the period. You can see your total sales by customers. You can see total sales per the customers. Okay, you want to see sales that each customer has made, how much each you have received from each customer. You can have it from here. You can also for instance, let me use this as an example. You can also check your sales by item, the exact amount you realize from each item. Okay, this may be different from customers, especially if you pay tax. Okay, you seen it to show you what the customer have purchased. See the name of the customer and the amount. Then you want to know you want to know the item, especially if you sell physical product. Now, this software will only allow you to register your sales. It will not. You can't use it to register returns from customers. If you have different shops, you can't use it to do transfer. But you can use this software to manage any number of business. Look at here. This is my own. So this is what I use. I'm not telling you what I don't use. No, this is the software I use for my Delight Accounting Clinic business. Look at my business. This one is the demo business I created. Not with the same in the same account, not using different email. No. So you can use it to run up to 5 businesses. So even if you sell physical products and you still offer services, you can differentiate them if you want to. But just that you cannot do automatic transfer of your product from this store to this store. No, it is only the paid software that does that. So if you have issue of returns from customer, returns to supplier, and every other movement of inventory except selling and purchases, except selling, because this one is for sales, then you might need paid software. But with your template, you can find a way to to take care of other ones. The software shows you your balance with the customer, shows you those that are owing you, shows you the amount of money you have received, and in which form you have received it. Okay, these are the people owing you. You will see the amount that owing you. Okay, you want to know how much you have received per time. The software takes care of that for you. And how you receive the money. Is it through are you seeing this one? This one was done through transfer. This one, you see this one that you did through POS. That is your own business POS. Okay, so it is a very well detailed software. And when you have now used this to track your sales, then your expenses. Okay, look at your expenses. You can use it to register expenses by details, by category, by customer. Are you seeing them? Then when you are now done, you will now use this already created, well-designed template, inventory management template, to do what? To manage your inventory. Okay, so when you are now done with your sales, what are you now going to do here? You just want to use this template to reconcile how you have sold your product and how you have purchased your product. If you can still remember, when you are here, the only information about your inventory that the software, this particular free software will show you, is information of the number of products you have sold. For instance, when you click here now, when you click here, it's going to show you how many products you have sold. Okay, are you seeing it? To show you the number of products you have sold. That is your physical product. So you can now take that information and come over here. Sorry about that. Okay, so you can now pick the information and now come over here to do what? To reconcile. So this is a template you can use to reconcile both your raw materials and your the product you are selling. Okay, if you're into production, you also sell, I would prefer you go for paid software. But if you want to use this to get started, maybe you're just starting, okay, this is for you. You have few raw materials and few products, just like this one I have here. Okay, so this is for you. What will the software help you to do? You put the raw material that you have that you've purchased, and as you're registering your purchases, the system will be summarizing it for you in this one. That is for your raw materials. So, and also, as you are registering the raw materials you have used, the system will do what? Will be summarizing it for you. If you go through the demo video of the paid software, you will find out that you will see a place where the software will help you to track the in and out of your raw material. So that is exactly what I'm trying to help you achieve here. Okay, now when you now come over here, the system will tell you the total raw materials you have purchased, total you have used, then the opening balance and what is remaining. One good thing about this template is that the only place you have to put your information here is register the product you have purchased, that is the raw material you have purchased and the raw material you have used. All this summary and this particular place, you have nothing to do here. Okay, the same thing with your product. You register all the products you have purchased here. As you're registering it, the system is summarizing it for you here. Okay, then all you just have to do is you now go to this software, pick that particular place the system have shown you how much you have sold. You just go over there, pick the product you have sold and come over here and put it. As I put it, the system will be summarizing it for you, and you will now see your product movement. You see the quantity you have purchased, how many you have sold that you've gotten from the software, and you will now see the closing. Okay, and I also go further to give you a template to calculate your profit. It's just very simple thing. Okay, that is just it. And also even your petty cash. Another thing that is necessary for you is your supply management. Remember that the free software can show you your customers' balance, those that are owing you, but it has nothing to do with your suppliers. Okay, but here, this is where you can now reconcile with your suppliers. Okay, how to do that, you will learn it. Also, if you want to use this for your income budget, you will use it. I will still teach you how to do it. They also have expenses budget, so it's a very wonderful software. Okay, so if this is what you have, fine and good. If there's any other template you want me to create for you, I can still add it. Okay, so I'm looking forward to having you chat us up. Let me know the best one for you. Remember, it begins with consultation, free consultation. So chat us, let's have the free consultation. Thank you very much. See you. It's when you come that I will know what to do. Then we will now discuss the prices. It's very cheap. There's no point calling you prices here because businesses have different needs. Okay, thank you. Bye.